Hey, what up, guys? Today is gonna be okay, guys. Before we start, you have to go to moment. You are at pythonanywhere.com. You play games. The challenges is from a past video, so you don't have to worry about that. You can play games and play the game I made, and then just have fun with it. So, anyways, I'll stop distracting you. Go back to the video. Okay, guys, to start, we're gonna. Oh, yeah, I gotta show you the presentation first. Anyways. So, guys, we're gonna start today with comparisons and logical operators. That's gonna be for today. So, this is actually gonna be fun with numbers too, because actually, last time I was gonna do fun with numbers, actually the full thing. Because I was thinking I could do that, but turns out when I actually tried it, the video got too long, so we decided to put it into two parts. So this is going to be the second part. So yeah, let's just get started. So we're going to start with comparisons. The first one is greater than. Just this symbol, I'm pretty sure you've seen it. So just this is 8 greater than 5. True. Greater than or equal to, example 8 greater than or equal to 8. So yes, it's true because it's equal to. It could be greater than or equal to. Less than is exact same thing as 4 less than 1. No, false. Less than or equals to is 5 less than 6. Yes, it is. It's not equal to, but it is less. So that's why we count it. Equal to example. So this is gonna be equals to is 7 equal to 8. No. And finally, not equal to. Is 5 not equal to 9? True. So these are our comparisons. And let's start coding them. Okay, guys, to start, we're going to do the greater than operator, and we're just going to do all these really quick, and then we can just check the answers, because otherwise it might take too long. So let's just start with 45 equals 56. Print. Oh yeah, we gotta do that. So print. We're under control V. And don't put quotes. Gotta remember that. And then we gotta do print. Then you do all these print. You don't have to do this. I'm just doing it for myself, for the sake of this video. Print. And print. And that's gonna be it for, yeah, so then we can do 76 greater than 90. And just so you know, you actually don't have to be following me. You can if you want, and I'll tell you the answers. So like this will probably be false. This will probably be false because 45 is not equal to 56. 76 is not greater than 90. 20 is less than 100. That should be true. 96 not equal to 96. Now there's the final operators. 27 greater than or equal to 28. And then last but not least, 96 less than equal to 700. Well, just do that number. Let's go with that number, and then we can make our predictions. And then let's see what happened. Okay guys, so if you followed me, you probably got these results. False, false, true, false, false, true. If you did exactly what I did. And you could actually do whatever you want in comparison. So like I usually use comparisons like you want to compare something, then you should use comparisons. That's one thing you might need to do in life. So the next thing we're going to do today is going to be a logical operator. So I'll show you that. Okay guys, so let's do logical operators. So the first one's and. Like, the first one's and, like, when I mean by and, I mean like, does, like for example, taco has cheese and taco has meat. They would do true or false. And if it does have if taco has cheese and taco has meat is true, then it's gonna say true. Otherwise, it's gonna say false. Or it's gonna be like taco has lettuce or taco has beans. So if it has lettuce or beans, it's gonna be yes. And then not taco has carrots. And basically, when you use that, it basically says if taco has carrots, say false. And if taco does not have carrots, then say true. Does taco not have carrots? That's what it's asking. Now I don't think not would be such a common thing to use, but it's usable. So let's just start. So first let's so our variables. So mine's gonna be about pizza. Yours doesn't have to. And I'm gonna do pizza has cheese equals true. And you should turn orange like this. Make sure you do capital when you do T. So it's just saying like it is true. And I'll show you what that really means later. So pizza. Oh come on. Double A instead of double Z. Ugh. Pizza has pepperoni equals false. Pizza has sausage equals true. Let's just do that. So then we do print pizza has pepperoni and no, don't do caps over here. And pizza has cheese. So I took the answer. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna be false because pizza does not have pepperoni. It does have cheese, but it doesn't have pepperoni. So it's not gonna be. And now we're gonna do print pizza has sausage and pizza has, let me just get this back. Pizza has pepperoni, and this time backspace the and, turn it to your or, and then we can do this. And we can do lastly, not pizza. Oh no, print first. Print not. Here we do not pizza has pepperoni. Let's just do that, and then we can run it and see what happens. So after the false, false, true, false, false, true that we did, false, true, false, false, true, then we got false, true, true. So that's the answer you should have gotten if you followed me. So these are actually going to be probably the most useful because you can actually compare strings. And I think that will actually be it for today. So, yeah. Okay guys, before we end this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for lots of more videos. Well, while it's sad our video had to come to an end today at this time, at least we learned two things. We learned how to compare things with comparisons. And we learned how to compare operators like strings using logical operators. So, that'll be it for today. See you guys next time. Bye.